Hello everybody, so today I will talk about probability. The topic today is about counting. So now I will show you how to answer. How many 4-letter with 4-digit driver license in which contains all identical letters and even numbers? So now I will show you how to answer. We know that this is about the driver license. So the first one we have letters, and the next one we have the numbers. On the question, all identical letters, that means, for example, the first 4 letters in here, like A, O, B, B, B. This is about identical letters. We know that in the alphabet, we have 26 letters. So if we do on this way, from here to here, the last one, we have 26. We have 26 way like this, from A to Z. So about the numbers, they want to even numbers. About even numbers, we know that should be about 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So in each one, we have 5 even number. So this one should be about number 5. So there are 5 ways of even numbers in here. Similar for this one, and this one. And now we use about 26 multiplied by 555 in here. And you got about the total of this driver license. And this one you got about 16,250 ways. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.